Hello friends, Tiger Coward here. Today Tiger, Barb and I begin our annual August motorcycle trip. This year we're visiting Montreal before heading to Mont Orford in Quebec's eastern townships. I've named this trip Tiger Barb's August Odyssey 23. Today we're up early and on the road at 8:30. Our early departure was necessitated by the impending storms, tornadoes, and the end of the world forecasted for the Ottawa Valley. The Odyssey couldn't have started any better. We rode in bright sunshine and 20-degree temperatures all the way to Rama. And that's where we jumped on the World Famous Monck Road. Riding eastward toward Kinmont, the Monck Road is fabulous and the temperatures remained quite comfortable as the skies became overcast. The village of Kinmont was our first scheduled stop after 2.5 hours on the bike. The setting in the Sawmill Park on the Burnt River was ideal for a short walk to stretch our legs and have a drink of water before hitting the road again.
Weighs a ton. Always thought that I'd die young.
Well, we're stopping for a quick break at a park in Kinmount. How pretty is this? Hello, Goose. An hour later, we reached Bancroft at lunchtime and the town was hopping, as any cottage country town should be in August. We had a spectacularly good lunch at the Granite Pub. I highly recommend stopping there.
Even if it kills me, I'm gonna find a way out of here.
After lunch, we took highways 41 and 132 to the charming town of Renfrew. These roads are totally fun with lots of fun hills and curves traversing the Canadian Shield. We stopped at Dairy Queen for a quick peanut butter parfait, but we didn't linger because the notices on the GPS changed from tornado watch to tornado warning. To beat the storm, we sped down Highway 417 to our motel. We made it, but not by much. The skies absolutely opened up for 20 minutes just after we arrived. Arnprior was a pleasant surprise. The downtown area was unbelievably nice and surprisingly trendy. We walked down to the Madawaska River and followed a park trail for about half an hour on what turned out to be a beautiful evening. It turns out that the impending end of the world didn't come to fruition. However, at the Lumbertown Ale House, where we had drinks and nachos, we learned that the storm had passed us over, but became a tornado and touched down in nearby Metcalfe. All around, it was a great start to the trip. Tomorrow we're heading to Montreal with the stop at Montebello. The forecast is calling for rain again, but they were wrong today and hopefully they'll be wrong again tomorrow. I love you all. Good night from the Ottawa Valley. Go forth with an open mind and most importantly an open heart. And remember, self-care is not selfish.